How to get more batches on Instacart. Now, if you use Instacart and then you've been wondering on how you can get more batches on Instacart, now to get more batches on Instacart, you can try shopping when the demand is high, and you can also work on improving your eligibility. So you must actually shop on busy days because Sundays tend to have more batches available than Wednesdays. Or you can also shop near busy stores, so you have to look for stores with high demand for shoppers. You can also basically improve your eligibility by taking an alcohol certification course. This can unlock batches that include alcohol, or you can get your cooler bags approved or maintain a good rating. And this is the way on how you can go ahead and then basically improve your and get more batches. You also must make sure you have a strong GPS signal and good internet connection. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. Thanks for watching till the very end, and as always, see you soon in our next video.